No camera, no social media following, no investment. This works worldwide, and I did the hardest part of the work for you, so you can just watch this video through to the end, follow all of the steps, and replicate what I have done to make about before. And as such, let me briefly explain what this is. This is basically a site for Amazon sellers. This helps people selling on Amazon get more sales and thus make more money, as is said right over here. Anyhow, since we are not here to sell on Amazon, and as such we won't be like paying the site here to get more sales, it's just relevant for you guys to know that this helps Amazon sellers get more sales on Amazon. You can of course check out all of the features this platform has to offer, but I will not go over that, and so let's get to what you want to do on this platform. You will need to scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page, and you want to click on affiliates right here. So yes, we do want to promote this as an affiliate, and this website has numerous things going for it that make it the go-to platform to promote as an affiliate. First off, it's 100% legit. This is hugely important because it's not easy to persuade someone to try this platform out. After all, they do have to give away their money, and if they do not know that it's as risk-free as possible, chances are that they will not want to give Helium 10 a try. But if they do know it's legit, then it is much easier to get people to pay this platform. Now, how can people know that it is legit? Well, apart from the reviews on their homepage, the reviews over on this site called G2.com come in very handy when trying to persuade someone to pay Helium 10. As I mentioned previously, and as you can see, it has a rating of 4.5 stars, which is excellent, and I highly recommend you use these reviews to your advantage when trying to get people to click on your affiliate link through the traffic source I will show you in a moment. And for those of you who stay up until the end, I will show you another even better traffic source that you can use to easily find people with money to spare who will not shy away from trying Helium 10 out. Anyhow, back to this platform here, you will see that apart from the fact that it is legit, something else makes it very good to promote as an affiliate, and that is the fact that you get monthly commissions for life, as is said right here. What this means is that if you refer, for example, 10 people to here, and like 5 of them use and pay Helium 10 for let's say a year, that means you would be making commissions from those same people for the duration of the payment. In other words, you do not need that many people referred to here to make a lot of money. The fact that you get recurring commissions is far from the only benefit. However, Helium 10 is a tool for Amazon sellers, as I said previously, and it will help them get more sales. This in turn motivates them to keep using it for a much longer period of time, meaning that your recurring commissions become that much more profitable, because most people that start using this tool won't stop doing so. Something else highly important as well is that Amazon sellers can afford to pay this platform. This means that they will be quite willing to give it a try if there is even the slightest chance that it's going to help them. In summary, Helium 10 has great reviews, meaning you can more easily get people to try it out. The potential customers of this platform all have big budgets and will be willing to give it a try, both thanks to the awesome reviews but also the fact that it will be profitable for them and that they have big budgets. And so with all of that said and done, guys, let's get to what you want to do. On this page, you want to click on Apply Now right over here so that you can apply as an affiliate. From there, you will just enter in some of your basic demographic information before being given your affiliate link. Now that you have your affiliate link, it's time for the next step, which will be to write a guide of sorts that helps Amazon sellers, and the best place to do that is Google Docs. Anyhow, what you will want to do first is do some quick research on Google and see what the best tips to grow on Amazon are, and write them in your own guide. And you will want to kind of guide people to the step where you will say something along the lines of try out our #1 recommended Amazon tool, and you will leave the affiliate link next to that. And so not only will you genuinely help people who want to sell on Amazon with these tips, but you will also be able to make some money yourself in case they sign up to your affiliate link. By the way, what I would very much recommend you guys do is leave some general info about Helium 10 under this step, where you will also leave your affiliate link. Make sure to mention the reviews it has, because as I said time and time again, they can be hugely helpful. In any case, when you are done, you will want to click on share in the upper right corner, after which you will be able to see your Google Docs link, which you will want to copy. In any case, it's the Google Docs link, not the affiliate link, which you will want to give out to people, because in this manner it won't be obvious that you are promoting anything. Now, the very first traffic source I have for you guys is none other than Reddit.com. This is a platform I am sure most of you have heard about and know what it is. The main reason we want to use Reddit is simply put because it's immensely popular, and there are groups on Reddit with literally hundreds of thousands of members, as you will soon see. Anyhow, what you will need to do on here first is sign up by clicking on the sign up button in the upper right corner. Once you do that, you will want to search for Amazon sellers, as I have done so myself, and check this out. As you can see here, there are literally thousands upon thousands of people in these Amazon seller communities, and of course every single person there will be interested in a way to make more money on Amazon. And what you will basically want to do is Tell them stuff like this guide here helped me to get more sales and make more money and so on, and you will give them the link to your guide, and when they open it up they will be able to read through it until they reach the part where you added your affiliate link, and of course when they click on it and sign up to Helium 10 you will get paid. Now in case you have a bit of money to spare and you do not want to use a guide of any sort but get traffic directly to your affiliate link, then I would highly recommend you give this tool a try right here. This is a paid software, let's make that clear right away, but it's a one-time payment. It costs under $20 and it's more than worth the cost since it will allow you to earn a lot of money by doing literally nothing. As you can see, through the use of campaigns, this will get you traffic and sales in 60 seconds. It's an all-in-one traffic solution, works in any niche, meaning that you can promote literally anything you want to it. Is beginner friendly and no skills or experience is required, meaning that anyone can get paid using this, and arguably the best part about this is that it offers step-by-step instructions so you know exactly what to do in order to get traffic to your link. Once again, if you want to give this a try, and I do recommend you do so, this is the first link down below. In case you either do not have any money or you just want to use Reddit, then that is fine too. Using Reddit will still make you a lot of money nevertheless. Anyways, this is it for today's video guys. As always, if you liked it and you are enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel, and in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching and I'll see you in next video.